An experimental product made by a Durham biotech company could save lives in Ukraine.
Packages of engineered blood vessels just arrived in the country to help treat people injured in the war. CBS 17's Maggie Newland explains.
Inside a box,
this light tan tube is the vessel itself.
Is an engineered blood vessel made in a Durham lab, ready to be used in surgery.
We are the only company on the planet that is using human cells to make replacement human tissues and to make those tissues at commercial scale.
Humacyte is studying the vessels in clinical trials, but the war raging in Ukraine left surgeons there in immediate need of anything that might help save lives.
We got our first request from a Ukrainian surgeon at a hospital on the front lines back in March.
Humacyte worked with the FDA and the Ukrainian Ministry of Health to send 30 of the engineered vessels to 6 hospitals in Ukraine.
A lot of the logistical hurdles around shipping a medical product into a conflict zone, that was at least as hard as any other part of this.
The other challenge, making sure Ukrainian surgeons can use them.
We had to train them on the vessel and how to use it and how to take care of their patients. We actually did a lot of training in Ukrainian.
They offer virtual training and explanatory videos with Ukrainian subtitles. The packages containing the vessels recently arrived in Kyiv, into the hands of grateful medical teams.
To me, it's been kind of amazing that we could pull this off at all, that we could get vessels into the country, into a conflict zone.
Now, as Ukrainian doctors work desperately to save lives, they have a new tool made in the triangle.
And the vessels are still experimental. If possible, Humacyte hopes to follow the cases of patients who receive them in Ukraine to see how they're doing.